This is the Good Neighbor Podcast, the place where local businesses and neighbors come together. Here's your host, Amber Betts.
Hey there, I am Amber Betts with the Good Neighbor Podcast West Denver, and today I'm here with Dr. Taylor Pedego of Serenity Dental Arts here in Denver. Hey, doctor, thanks for being here today.
Hey, Amber, thanks for having me.
So tell us about your business and your practice and what you offer your patients.
Well, we are a general dentistry practice here in Denver. We're kind of on the border between Highlands and Berkeley area, right at 38th and Federal intersection. I myself have only been at this practice for about a year, but this dental practice has actually been in the area at the same location for going on 40 years now. So it's a kind of a community fixture. It used to be Retro Dental Highlands was the name. Some other names gone through over the years, but we are now Serenity Dental Arts, and we're trying to provide just really great general dentistry services of all kinds to the community. We do pretty much everything under the realm of dentistry and refer to specialists when needed, but we're a pretty comprehensive office here to take care of pretty much whatever walks in the door.
Wonderful. So tell the listeners kind of like your history, your backstory, how you became a dentist.
No dentists in my family, in the history of my family. That's usually how people get into it.
Right.
But for me, it was family related and personal. I wanted to work in healthcare, but when I was in college, my dad was actually diagnosed with throat cancer, and he went through treatment, chemo, radiation, all that stuff, and he's in remission for 11 years now. This October, which is awesome. But what I noticed, during his treatment and or after his treatment was all the dental issues that he was dealing with. And the cancer treatment was actually the easy part for him. And the really hard part was losing his teeth to the radiation and needing dentures and needing implants. And, I watched him only be able to eat soft food diet for years. And it's tough to see. And I was able to help him and kind of restore his old smile. And, he used to love to eat and wanted to get that back for him. So that was a big motivator for me. And I was able to get into dental school in UCLA down in Los Angeles. I'm originally from the West Coast in Oregon, but known for a while, Denver's the place I wanted to settle. And actually, last year, upon owning this practice in Denver, I was able to finally get my dad the dentures and the ability to chew and eat again, like was kind of our original goal. So that was a nice full circle moment in my career.
Wow, that's an amazing story. I love it.
Yeah, it's nice to have a connection to it, rather than going into it for, parents' practice to take over for the money or a lot of different reasons people do things to have that personal, desire to help people is, I think, what makes us a really, really great office.
Sure. So tell the listeners, why do your patients choose you? Why do they keep coming back? What kind of sets you apart?
Mm-hmm. I would say overall, it's the feeling you get when you walk into our office. My goal has always been to try to make a dental office feel as like a dental office as possible. We're all aware that it's not the most fun place to hang out. It's not what people necessarily look forward to. We have some of those patients as well, but most people don't look forward to coming to hang out with us. So we want it to feel comfortable. We want it to feel like a home. We have front desk person Connie up front who's been here for decades. She's the fixture of the place. She's honestly the big reason why all the old patients have stuck through changes and staff turnover, doctor turnover, things like that. They say as long as Connie's up front, I know I'm in good hands. So you walk in the door and get a certain feeling like we're going to take good care of you, and then it is the actual care we provide. From the second you get back into a chair. My assistants are such great people. They have, we become friends with all of our patients. We have great conversations, get to know them and about their family. And, we ask you about these things when you come back in. You're not just a number. You're not just being filed through a system. So it's a really good personal feel. And then we do dentistry because we care. And that's the most important thing. So people keep coming back because what we do works. And then they have to just come in for cleanings and they realized, we're actually kind of fun to hang out with at the end of the day, even if it is a dentist's office.
I love that. So tell the listeners any news, specials, updates you want to share.
So we work with almost every insurance plan out there. So you can find us on almost any dental insurance website. We'll show up in the locator. We do understand a lot of people don't have access to dental insurance though. So we have a just constant 365 24/7 new patient special where you can come in and for a very significant discount, get a full exam, set of x-rays, as long as just a regular cleaning is what we need to do, get all that taken care of for one low set price. And then we do also offer like an in-house membership plan, an in-house insurance plan. If people do have work that they need done, that can really help take a lot of financial burden off of them. So as far as specials coming up for the summer, the main thing that we're going to be doing is Botox, actually. That's one that a lot of people don't associate with dentists. We do stuff and wrinkles and lines and all that. But big thing for people, over 50% of people in this country have TMJ issues, clenching, and Botox treatment for those muscles is really, really effective. It can be a little expensive. It's expensive for us to buy. It's expensive to distribute. But for the summer, we're going to be doing a 25% discount for anyone that comes in and wants to get a consult on it. Consult's free, but a 25% discount for the summer months for that Botox if you're having jaw pain. If you are interested in the aesthetics, that's our main one right.
Great. That is good to know. So also, I'm sure you stay busy as a dentist, but what are we doing for fun? What do you do outside of work?
Yeah, I love being a dentist. I love dentistry. It's definitely, I found the right career. There are more fun things to do in the world than dentistry and doing fillings. So as much as I love it here when I'm not here, I'm big into the outdoors. Part of the reason I ended up settling in Denver is access to the mountains. So big into hiking and camping, fishing. A dog at home who is very much into all those things as well. So he's always with me. Sometimes he's in the office. If you're a dog person, he's not a fixture here, but he is sometimes available to say hi. What else are we doing? Cooking, gardening. I'm a little bit of a golfer, not a very good one. Try. Spending time with my fiance at home. Just hanging out, exploring the city. We've been here for going on 3 years now. So we absolutely love it, but still a lot more for us to explore. So checking out restaurants and music and getting to a Rockies game, stuff like that.
Good stuff. All right, doctor, then tell us, say your location one more time and your website and all the best ways to get a hold of you.
Sure. So our location is, we are one house off of the corner of 38th and Federal. We're on the northwest corner of that intersection. So we're right next to the First Bank. So that's the location. Easiest way to get a hold of us, you can, give us a call, 303-458-7051, or you can shoot us an email at office@serenitydentalartsdenver.com. The easiest way might be to go to our website, which is just serenitydentalartsdenver.com, and fill out a new patient request form. We'll get that email and we will contact you, get something set up for you. So a few different ways you can get in touch for an appointment.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thanks so much for your time. Thanks to the listeners, and have a good rest of your day.
Thanks so much, Amber. I really appreciate the time.
Okay.
Thank you for listening to the Good Neighbor Podcast. To nominate your favorite local businesses to be featured on the show, go to gnpwestdenver.com. That's gnpwestdenver.com, or call 720-295-9588.